Here's how you can fix Facebook dating not showing up. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can fix Facebook dating which isn't showing up for you or might be glitching. So yeah, make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So here, as you can see that if we write Facebook dating requirements, it says you should be at least 18 years old, have a Facebook account. But just go to who can use Facebook dating, which is called Facebook Help Center. Once you press on it, it's gonna bring you here, and here, as you can see, this is all the information that you have to do to get Facebook dating. First, you have to be at least 18 years old and then have a Facebook account in good standing. This is at least like 30 days old. Live in a country where dating is available. So like these are all the countries where the like Facebook dating is available. So here, as you can see, if you live in any of these countries, you're good to go. You will be able to see the Facebook dating option. But if you don't live here, you won't be able to see because it's just from Facebook and you won't be able to use Facebook dating. But yeah, if you're from here, and you can just basically use it. But the real problem comes in when if you're from one of these countries but you're still not able to see Facebook dating. So what can you do in this situation is just go to menu, and here sometimes people just don't see the option of see more. So once you press on see more, it's gonna like show a bit more of the site, and you might see Facebook dating right over here. But the country where I live, it's not available. But yeah, if you still don't see Facebook dating for yourself right over here, just go to settings and privacy, and then just go to settings, and just go down a bit until you see privacy and policy. Just press on it, and what you have to do is just give them your information about your highlights, and show them your card, and you just make sure that you give them their ID and everything, just to make sure that you're 18 years old, because sometimes they do age limit restrictions, because as you know, and you should be at least 18 years old. But yeah, if you still don't see it, just report them. Yeah, this is basically the last option. You just have to report them, and it just basically tell them that you are not able to see Facebook dating even though you live in this country and you're 18 years old. And yeah, so like just basically report them and tell them the reason why you can see Facebook dating. Once you do that, you will be able to see it. But yeah, and this is it for this video, and I hope you like this video, and comment, like, share, subscribe. Peace until